Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, a bit of an update on our sex toy slapping Senator Elisha Abbo. It looks as though they are going to follow this matter to the end, to the bitter end, and it looks as though the Nigerian state is going to take a position regarding this guy. So guys, I bring you this. Senator Elisha Abbo arraigned before Abuja Magistrate Court. So this guy has been charged to court. So again, the headline: Senator Elisha Abbo arraigned before Abuja Magistrate Court. So now to the body of the story. Senator Elisha Abbo, who assaulted a nursing mother inside a sex shop in Abuja on Monday, May 11th. And just by the way, they keep on saying a nursing mother, but then this nursing mother was in a sex shop. So let's just get it right. Yes, a nursing mother, and no, you should not have assaulted her. But then they are saying nursing mother, as though they want the empathy to go towards the fact that this woman has just newly given birth. But then, of course, we have to balance that with the fact that this woman was actually in a sex shop. So what is a nursing mother doing in a sex shop is the question. Maybe she's got to visit her friend. Maybe she's part owner of the shop. I don't know. But she was in a sex shop. So the nursing mother bit that they harp on and about, we have to qualify that with the fact that she was in a sex shop. So we carry on. Well, let's start over again actually. Senator Elisha Abbo, who assaulted a nursing mother inside a sex shop in Abuja on May 11th, will be arraigned before a Zuba Magistrate Court, Abuja, today, July the 8th. The Commissioner of Police, Federal Capital Territory Command, Bala Chiroma, who confirmed this today, said the senator will be arraigned on a one-count charge of assault. They, that is the police officers, have taken him to the Zuba Magistrate Court for arraignment. They are on their way now, Chiroma said. The police detectives have established a prima facie case against the 41-year-old senator who represents Adamawa North Central District in the National Assembly. Apart from the evidence deduced from the video which showed the senator repeatedly slapping his victim for intervening in an argument between him and the shop owner, the admission by the senator in a press statement he issued last week was also said to have added to the bulk of the evidence against him. So our slapping senator, the sex toy senator, the supposedly youngest senator in the Senate, our not too young to run bill guy, the one that is meant to represent the paradigm shift but is actually worse than the old guard, is now being arraigned before the court. So I only have one thing to say, and I will quote the words of Donald Trump to Hillary Clinton during the last presidential elections, during the campaign. He only had one chant, which was lock her up, lock her up. So I shall borrow those words and replace the her with the him and go lock him up, lock him up, lock him up. So this guy should be locked up. There's absolutely no question about that, because the full course of justice has to prevail in this particular situation. And so far so good. He has been arrested quickly and arraigned quickly, and the date of the court is actually set for the 22nd of July. So it's just a few weeks away. So now this is going to be a fairly swift one, and I cannot see how this guy, or why this guy, would escape what will be the natural course of justice, given the overwhelming evidence and given the fact that he has admitted this assault in his own words as well. And this is a criminal matter, by the way, so it's not even sufficient to say the woman has forgiven him. So that's not even enough. It's not even enough to go and bribe the woman. This is a criminal matter. This is actual bodily harm. So this is ABH. This is an act of ABH. caught on camera, and the culprit, the perpetrator, has confessed it. So it's a criminal matter, it's a police matter, it's a one that should happen swiftly, and we look forward to this guy. Even if they give him 6 months, it doesn't really matter, but this guy must serve a jail term as a deterrent and a signal to the rest of them that look, there's a bar of civilization and civility in this country, and this is the baseline. You cannot go beyond this point, because there has to be a point in that country where enough is enough, and it looks as though we have now reached, or we are reaching that point now where enough is enough. So this guy goes down, and then Biodun Fatoyinbo shares a cell with him, and then we'll start to begin to have some sort of sanity in our country, so that the right signals are being sent to these people who have placed themselves above the law. Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting, but before you come join me to have that conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of all this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, join you in the comment section, but here I say peace.